Hello guys and welcome back to the channel Car and Rebuilders. In this video we are going to rebuild 2022 Kia Seltos. Impact was on struck tower, so we are going to replace the whole struck tower and let's start the video.
The work done till now is we have removed the engine and completely stripped everything from the engine bay, and this side is clean, no damage at this side, and we have removed everything from the interior, seats, dashboard, pads, matting and etc., and wrapped all the doors so it does not get dirty. From the rear, the vehicle is untouched, no damage at the rear or else this side. Completely clean from right side also, and this is the dashboard which we have removed, and these are all other parts of the vehicle: bonnet, fender, seats. This is the bonnet of the car, and these are more parts. These are all the parts which we have removed till now from the vehicle. Now we are going to disassemble the engine. As you can see, the catalytic converter has been damaged, the tappet cover, and now we are going to disassemble the engine. So let's get started. completely stripped out everything from the engine bay. The interior is also completely stripped. We have removed the dashboard, matting, center console and everything from the front and wrapped all the door pads so it does not get dirty while the denting and painting process.
And all the damaged parts on the engine are also removed, as you all can see.
So if you like this type of content, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Do follow us on Instagram @KarenRebuilders. So thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Peace.